they lied to you. It was never about finding yourself. Because finding yourself implies that you have lost something. But how do you lose something that doesn't exist yet? No, the goal was never to find yourself. The goal was to found yourself. Found not as in the past tense of find. Found as in foundation. Founding a nation or founding an empire. The goal is simple. Create yourself in the image that you want. Break free from the expectations that your family, friends, and society place on you. Walk your own path. Say fuck it to what you don't want and build a life that you are proud of. Let's begin with step 1. Who are you? Finding yourself or founding yourself begins with defining who you want to be in this world. Do you want to be rich? How rich do you want to be? What will it take to be rich? Do you want to be jacked? How jacked? What habits will get you there? Do you want to be loved? How loved do you want to be? And what does that look like? Get specific with this. Very specific. The more detail you can muster up, the better. Now, this is your target, the person you are aiming to become. Now, don't worry, goalposts will always move. Your ideal self will change as you grow. And that is natural, life is not stagnant. However, it's still essential to have a goal to strive toward. And once you know who you want to become, you need to get rid of something else. Step 2. Spreading your wings. Let me begin with goldfish. Goldfish are usually kept in small bowls. When they're kept in a bowl, they only grow as large as the bowl allows them to. Take that goldfish and put it in a large pond, and suddenly it grows much, much larger. The goldfish didn't decide to change. The new environment triggered the change within the goldfish. And your identity is just like that goldfish. Your parents' home, your hometown, and the city you grew up in are the metaphorical balls keeping you small. And just like a bird must leave the nest to finally spread its wings, you have to leave home away from comfort of the known to truly found your identity. The mechanism that stops you from creating yourself is complex. It's an amalgamation of years of conditioning and an environmental reinforcement. Your friends will unconsciously keep you at a certain level. Your environment will trigger old habits, emotions, and behavior loops you built over the years. Your parents will expect you to behave in familiar ways. Everything around you forms an infinitely complex puzzle, one perfectly designed to maintain your current identity. The quickest and most impactful way to change this puzzle? Well, you throw the whole thing out. Leave everything behind. Your friends, your family, your home. Then rebuild the puzzle so everything fits perfectly, exactly how you want it to. Now, step number 3. Cut off the stragglers. Once you've left everything and settled into your new identity, you will notice something. Parts of your past stick with you like gum under a shoe. What you've carried over are fragments of your old environment, behavior patterns that don't belong to your new identity but still try to attach themselves. You know what I mean. Overeating, mindless scrolling, watching endless YouTube videos, or productive distractions that disguise themselves as self-care. They will whisper, "It's okay, take a break. You deserve to rest. Do more research before you begin." These are hobgoblins, disguising themselves as reasonable arguments. They're nothing but Trojan horses trying to burn your city down from within. The hardest part is then to recognize these parasites for what they are and burn them off in the fire of your new identity. This is a continuous process. It may take years, even decades. You will think you've overcome them, only to find that they've slipped back in. Your job now is to guard your city, to stay watchful. And yes, this sounds extreme, because frankly it is. It is deeply unbalanced. But extreme results require extreme measures. And after all, this is your life. Your time on this earth is very, very limited. And you decide how you live it. So do you choose to coast through life, never knowing what you could have been? Or do you live with pure intensity, giving everything until the tank runs empty? For me, the answer is obvious, and I hope it is obvious to you as well. So, to recap, this video covered the following points. Identity isn't found, it is created. Creation requires leaving your environment, and rebirth demands cutting off remnants of your old self. And if you want to keep reprogramming your mind, I highly recommend you to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Until next time.